Hey gang, welcome back to some more Daily Nonograms. It is April 9. It's currently 7 p.m. and this good old website has cooked up another banger nonogram, I'm sure. So, let's go do that. Um, let's try and fish for an opening somewhere. Uh, Let me just check. 7, 3, 4. Nope. So these are 3. Then, 2, 5, 12, and 4. Minus 4, minus 4. Yeah. 2, 3, 1, 17. Minus 4. Okay. Uh, 10, 3, 3. Doubt it. No. What about this 10, 2, 1? No. 6, 13. That's minus 5. 2, 14. Cut this off here. Yeah, and then minus 6. Nice. What else? 14, 1, 2, minus 6. 3, 9, 1, 1, 1, minus 6. Yeah. 6, 4, 1, 3. Probably not. Oh. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 7, minus 4. Good. 5, 6. Nothing here. Okay. It's not a lot, but something. It's 9. Is there anywhere else? Actually, 2, 1, 3, 5, 2. No. 5, 3, 7, 2, minus 5. I don't know. Looks like not much. But we'll have to make do with it. Can this be the 4? Well, it's at least a 3, so we can extend that. So there's a 3. And can this be the 8? 2, 3, 1, 1. It can be. Can this be the 4? 4, 1, 3, 1, 3. It cannot. So this is only a 3. Aside from that, not seeing anything else. Nothing here. Nothing here too. Two, 1, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. Minus 3. This is a 4. This is a 9. Where to go? Where can I go? Let me check again. 2, 3, 1, 1. Yeah, it fits. Nothing here. Oh, that might be it. Nah. No, it almost is, but not quite. Hmm. 8, 2, 3. 1, 1. No, nothing there. 3, 9. 1, 4. Nothing there either. 1, 1, 5, 1, 3, 4. Nope. What the hell? 4, 5, 8. Nothing. Not after a great start. 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, nothing. Where did this come from? What the hell? Is that from here? 5, 3, 7, 2. Oh yeah, -5. 4, 4, 4, 8. It's -7. This is a 7. Extend that there. This is a 6. Not good. Not really good. 3, 12, 3, -10. Not very good. Not very good, let me tell you that. 3, 9, 1, 1, 1. Whew. Wait. If this is a 3, then is there there is 4. I don't know where to go from here. Two, 1, 2, 6, 1. Nope. 3, 8, 3. Oh man. 3, 1, 7. Okay. 5, 1, 5, 1. Oh. Yeah, I got no clue. Three. If this is the first 3, that way 1, 3, 1, 4. It fits. 1, 1, 3, 2, 8. I can't imagine that this would be the 8 though. Sounds so unlikely. I think it's time for me to guess. I don't really know where to go from here. I'm gonna make a checkpoint. And now I kind of know how to use checkpoints. So I'm gonna guess that this is actually the 3. And let's see where that takes me. We're gonna extend this 14. Which isn't gonna give us a lot. I actually think that's the only thing it gives us. Bro. This isn't good. 2, 1, 7. No. I don't know. I can't tell what this is. I'm gonna make a second guess. Alright? I'm gonna go back to my save point. I'm gonna make this new guess. Well, I guess that this is the 7. Okay? It's gonna be my second guess. 3, and then 4, 2. What now? What the hell? I need to find something better to guess. What if I guess that 413 is down here? So that'll be minus 2, minus 2. That gives me something to work with. 8, 4. Mm-hmm. 4, and then 6, 7. Aha! Wait. So 4, 8, and then. Aha! 4, 8. Yeah. So this leaves no space. Yeah, no space for this 1, which means we can go back to our save point, and now we know that the 6 and the 4 are now over here, and now we can continue. Great. Nice. Actual proper use of the save mechanic. That's my first time using that. So 111 3 2 1 1 3 6 nothing here. So 5, that's 2, it's 4. Can we extend this? No. Is that all? No way. Seriously? So we're gonna get from that? 2 1 1 5 1 5 1 1 1 1 1 3 1 7. Man. Oh wait. 3 1 7. No. Seriously? Okay, at least we can make another guess. Okay. Fuck, man. 1 5 1. What can we guess? Oh wait, no. That's 2, so this is 4. That's 9. That's all it gives us. Oh wait, this is a 3, nothing here. So 1, that's 3, it's 1, 6, 8, 6. Nothing here. Nothing here either. Oh, nothing here. So 1 3. No, don't know yet. Oh man. I just don't know. 3 4 3 2 4 1. But this is a 3. This is an 8. Wait. So extend that to 6. Yeah. Whew. 3. This is a 4. That's a 3. That's an 8. That's a 3. Good. 1 4. There's a 2. Nothing here. Nothing here. So we can extend this 12 minus 5 now. It's 2, 3, 10. This is a 3. Extend this 14 minus 5. Nothing here. Yeah, nothing here. So 1, 3. Now we have the 17. And then we have a 5. What now? Nothing here. So 9, 1, 1, 1. So 4. Nothing here. Nothing here. Then that is gonna be a 4, and then 12, 14, 1, 2, minus 1, so at least a 2. Nothing here. 6, 3, 7, 5. This is 8. Nothing here. It's 3, 6, 1, 4, 2. It's 3, 2, and then 3. Whew, man, oh man, oh man. Really making me work for it. One, 7 minus 2. That's a 3. What now? Aha, wait. This is a 7. This is a 3. Good. Doesn't give us anything else. Six. Something there. What? Wait. No, we don't know yet. Bro. What the heck? Wait, this is a 3. So that's... If... This is a 5. Right? Yeah, that's a 5. Because... Yes. And this is a 4. Finishes this. Finishes this. Finishes this and this. Okay. We're getting somewhere. 8, 6, 5. Nothing here. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. It's an 8, 7, 3, 3. Yeah. Nothing. No, I don't know. Here's a 2. Extend the 6. It's a 3. That's a 4. So 4. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. That's a 4. 3, 1, 7 minus 3. What now? Ah, 7, 2, minus 5, 4, nothing. Uh, 1, 1, 5. Is there a space for 5 here? 5, 1. There is. Of course there fucking is. 6, 1. Oh. There has to be something I'm missing. Aha, this one, bro. 2, then 2, then 3. Nothing here. What now? I don't know. 2. Okay, there's something I'm missing again. Can we extend this? No. um 4, 4. Oh, 4, 4, minus 3, and now that's everything. Yeah. Oh yeah. That could be huge, maybe. I hope. So 3, 3. This is a 9 minus 2. Yeah. 14. Yeah. Nothing here. Uh, 7. So this is connected. Yeah. Yeah. Nothing here. What the hell? Ah, wait. 5, 1, 3, 4. Nothing here. Yeah. 7, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2. It fits. Can't. So I'm not sure. But nothing here. Whew. 2, 2. Now Nothing here. So that's a 2. Nice. And nothing here. Whew. 2, 4, 3. No, that extends. 3, 2. Oh my god. 2, 4, 3. 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Can't fit because so that means this is 2. And then somewhere there's a 1 somewhere here. Yeah? So 4, 3, 1. 4, 3, 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. That's 3. So 13 done. That's 2 done. Nothing here. It's 3, 6, 3, 3, 3. 3, 5. That's a 3. 2, 2, minus 1. Nothing here. It's 9, 3, 5, 1. 1, 3, 2, 9. I hope I'm not wrong somewhere. 2. Shit. No. 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 I know exactly where I went wrong. It was this. 2, 1. Yeah. No. That's stupid. I'm dumb. Because it's 2. So that would be 3. 3 and then 4. And minus 2. Yeah. Oh my god. Hang on. So this is 2. So meaning this is a 3. Nothing here. 3 and then 4. Minus 2. Minus 2. Okay. It's 14. 13. Let's do this again. This is a 2. That's a 6. That's a 3. So 3. 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 3. No, not done yet. 2, 3. Yeah. 2, 2. Minus 1. 3. Okay. Nothing here. 3. Nothing here. 3, 6. 6, 5. Nothing. 9. Here. 2. 2. 6. Nothing. 7. 3, 2. 2. Whew. Man, this is hard. That's 2. There's a 3 here, which means that's a 1. That's a 2. This completes these 2. 3. Yeah, so 1, 3, 4. Done. 12. 2. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 2. Nothing here. Whew. This is a really tough one. This is like very, very hard. 4, 3. No. 4, 4. No. 2, 5. No. 2, 3, 1. No. Just 3 here. 4, 7. 1. 1. Yeah. Nothing. Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god, bruh. 2, 5, minus 3, 4, 4, minus 2, 4, 3, minus 3. This has to connect, right? I'm sure of it. Seven, 1, minus 2. What's so hard? Oh, 1, 1, 4, nothing here. That's a 3, nothing here. 1, 2, no. It means 3, 2. Nothing here. 2, 1. No. No. 2, 1 does not fit. So this is 3, 1. This is the 2. And nothing here. That's a 2. And that's a 2. Nothing here. Nothing here. 3, 3. 3, 2, 5, 4. Nothing. This sucks. 4, 3. 2, 5. Nope. What the hell? 3, 5. Oh wait. 7, 3, 5. Minus 4. So this is a 3. Very nice. But it doesn't fucking give us anything. No info at all. Holy shit. Oh my god, this is rough. Wait, that doesn't reach. This is the one. Nothing here. Yeah. I think. That's 4. It's 5. Nothing. 4, 2, 7, 3, 5. Nothing, nothing. 3, 2, 2. Nothing, nothing. Something, nothing. 2, 4, 7, 4, 3, 3, nothing. 5 minus 2 is 4, 4, 3, nothing. 5, 4. Oh, come on, right there. 5, 2, 4. Come on. Just give me the win. You just give me the win. Work on this stupid ass puzzle for long enough. 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 4. Yup. 5, 4. Yup. Yup. 3, 4, 3, 2. Yup. Yup. 5. Yup. 3, 4. Yup. Nothing, something, nothing. Come on, one more region. Police, this is done. Three, 1, no. 4, leave it there. 3, 1, minus 2. 1, 3, minus 2. I'm gonna bash my head on the wall. Oh man, this is taking so long. I don't know where to go. How is this end game still not giving me where to go? Like, oh my god. Actually, oh my god. Fuck it, I'm guessing save this position. Yeah, save this position here. Yep. And then I'm gonna say that the 3 is up here. That's gonna give us that, and that's this. That's 3. Okay, so go back to the save point. So now we don't know. We're sure it's not there. Okay. That's 3. That's 1. It's good. 4 minus 2. 2. Bro, come on. Just let me finish this shit. This is 2, 1, 7, 2, 3. This is 3. There's nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Oh my god. I'm looking, man. I'm not seeing anything. Seriously? No fucking progress. Ah, save position. Yeah. Yeah, this is now our, yeah, good. Save position. I'm gonna guess this is the 3. So this is done. And 3, 1, 2, yes. What? No, wrong. So go back. Oh! Oh, this is a 2. So that finishes that. So there's a 3. And there's a 3. It's a 2. 3, 4, 1, 3, 2, 1. What the fuck? Oh my god, I missed something. Are you serious? 3, 12, 3, 2, 7, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 8, 4, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 7, 2, 3, 3, 9, 1, 4, 1, 1, 5, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 2, 9, 3, 6, 6, 4, 5, 8, 7, 1, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4, 8, 2, 5, 12, 4, 2, 3, 1, 17, 2, 3, 3, 5, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 6, yeah, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 2, 7, 4, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3. Where the fuck is the mistake? 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 2, 1, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, 7, 2, 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 8, 1, 1, 1. It's this one. But where? Where? 3, 2, 2, 7, 1, 4, 3, 1. Oh my god. Ah! Fuck that puzzle. My god, that took so long. Whatever. It's done. Buh. See you guys tomorrow.